Welcome to Our Sweet Home Life. It's Mojo and Glenda. We're out exploring the park here at Tannehill State Park. We brought the Nano Apex down and having a little camping trail. So come join us and let's explore this park together. As you can see, there is a row of log cabins here, and every weekend between, I think it is March and November, they have crafts in these log cabins. Let's check them out. And this is called the Plank Road in 1840. Prior to the railroads, plank or log roads were popular throughout the eastern United States. Their use in Alabama was formally approved by the legislature about 1840. Okay. So this is the Stewart house, and they have weaving and spinning in this home. You can see the trees, but aren't they pretty in the water? So pretty, so relaxing. Let me walk down here and look at these rocks. I think Mojo's wanting to take the high road. It's too hard to get by here, but I'm going to see the rocks. That makes it very difficult. So we're going to have to go back up the steps and go the high road.
What are we looking at, Glenda?
The history of Tannehill Ironworks.
This is Tannehill. These are the furnaces, charcoal blast furnaces, ranked among the most productive in Alabama during the Civil War. The only 3 furnace ironworks in the state during the war years is capable of producing 22 tons of pig iron a day for the Selma Arsenal and Gun Works. And it's a lot of reading, guys, but these ironworks are below Birmingham on off of I-59 between Tuscaloosa and Birmingham. And they refired this one here. Glenda, when did they refire this one? Guys, I think it was 1975 or something like that. And they actually made some cannonballs. But they rebuilt these things probably in 1970, shortly before 1975, probably 3 years before that. They rebuilt some of it. Most of it was blown down during the Civil War. And that one over to the left was still standing. But this one, I think it was, had to be rebuilt, if my memory serves me correctly. And they had built these areas here. They call it the steam engine house, but they actually load these furnaces from the top. They call it charge. They charge them with iron, scrap iron, and different metals. In the era that they brought these back to life a short while, and they had a lot of people out here from all over the U.S. They were talking about how they made iron during those days. They gave a real good class on that stuff, and it went on for about 3 months. This area was uncovered in 1990. I thought I remembered it, and by the University of Alabama had a dig down here, Archaeological Dig, and they uncovered this trench and all this stuff. They didn't even know that was down here, and they dug out some all kinds of relics out there, guys, in that whole area. But anyway, it's yeah, we actually remember a lot of this going on during the time we lived nearby. But anyway, just stop your video and you read this. That is like a 2-story log home there. Huge timbers in that one. Some big wide timbers there. That's like 14 or 16 inches wide. That looks like a window up there. I don't know if it had any panes in it or not. I think they could shut it when it got cold. 1830 archaeological site. Uncovered by archaeological team from the University of Alabama in 1990. That was the same year they uncovered the other part up there, I forget what they call that, the blower house up there. So anyway, don't know that that has anything bearings on the house here. Some of these houses, most of all of these houses were moved in here later in the years. That's some magnificent work, magnificent carpentry. But the blower house was there, was uncovered in 1990, the site. Okay, the office, Ironworks office, 1855. This is the probable site of the original headquarters of the Ropes. This is the Ropes Valley Ironworks, burned by the Union troops March 31st, 1865. At one time, a double hearth fireplace stood in the center of a 2-room structure. Numerous nails and window weights were uncovered here in the University of Alabama's archaeological investigation, and sometimes I guess that's 1956. I don't know. You'll have to read it, guys. But anyway, you see these stones, and some of these stones and stuff come from the original fireplace of the office.
This creek is so beautiful this time of day. It's absolutely gorgeous. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please like, comment, and subscribe. Mojo and I are really enjoying our trip. It's so quiet, peaceful, and relaxing. They have trails that you can hike on, you can bicycle on. There's a lot of fun things you can do here. And they have some benches you can relax on as you take a hike. I see some fish down there. Do y'all see any?
There's a trout about that long. And there's a small one
I don't see them, but maybe y'all can see them. Okay, we're about back to the camp. Thanks for watching our Sweet Home Life today. Please like and subscribe and write us a comment about if you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, y'all. The sun's starting to set.